Do you know the net worth and the security system of Bill Gates's house? Or, do you know about Novia do Cordeiro, the island of only beautiful women? Do you know what the Tasmanian Devil is? Or, why women have more immunity systems than men? How Japanese teach self-defense at their school? Hello viewers, welcome to a new video with the top 5 amazing facts. So, don't skip the video and please subscribe to our channel. Fact number 1, Women's Immunity System. The amazing information has come out from a university in Canada, where they found out women have more immunity to prevent any disease than men. And the reason behind this is estrogen. This hormone can find only in women's bodies. Because of this hormones, the infection process can be stopped in its first stage. With the same process, a mother can protect her baby in the womb from any infection. How amazing is that? Fact number 2, Tasmanian Devil. The Tasmanian Devil is a carnivorous marsupial from the Dasyuridae species. It can only find in the island state of Tasmania. However, it looks like the younger brother of the bear. You might find many cartoon characters of this animal. Because of its attacking behavior, people don't want to go near them. Besides, they have huge strength that you cannot imagine. Tasmanian Devil can attack any person with their sharp teeth. And they have several records of this. Fact number 3, self-defense weapon. Generally, students are told to hide if someone attacks at school. But Japanese students don't afraid of this. Every Japanese school has a self-defense weapon hanging on the wall, which is called Sasumata, and it looks like a long stick. The Sasumata helps to restrain an attacker's hands and abdomen. They keep this so that if any unwanted person enters the school, then the students and teachers can defeat them together by using this weapon. And the school gives special training for this purpose. Fact number 4, House of Bill Gates. Entrepreneur and businessman Bill Gates is famous for his kindness and tenderness worldwide. But he doesn't want anyone to enter his house without his permission. Of course, who wants anyone to enter without permission? Especially if he has worth over $99 billion. Moreover, his house is located in one of the most expensive places in the world, Medina, Washington. His house is a 66,000 square foot mansion and called Xanadu 2.0. And cost over $8 million when it was first built. There are 7 bedrooms in the house and 24 restrooms. Xanadu 2.0 was constructed, which uses 500,000 logs of timber, and will attain Gates more than $145 million if he sells it on the open market now. Xanadu 2.0 has several amazing features such as a dome-shaped rooftop, an Oculus-exclusive library, a 1,000 square foot dining area, a 2,500 square foot gym, and underfloor heating and parking lots. It also has a 60-foot underwater swimming pool with a sound system. Why won't it be? It's the world's biggest software king's house. Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft Corporation. And now, he is the top 2 richest people in the world. And obviously, it's normal to use high-tech technologies in his house. His house is a combination of high-tech technology with natural beauty. And this true beauty helps to hide the house from people's eyes. There are lots of CCTV cameras around the house, and heat detector which can sense any person or thing's presence from a significant distance. Guests have to wear a special kind of pin to enter into the house, so that the CCTV camera, heat detector, or other security equipment don't react. These security types of equipment can lock the house automatically if it senses any abnormal activity. For these reasons, Bill Gates' house is one of the highly secure houses in the world. What do you think about it? Let us know in the comments section below. Fact number 5, island full of women. Noiva do Cordeiro is an island of beautiful women. It is said that the women of this island are the most attractive in the whole of Brazil. However, it is not like there are no men on this island, but the numbers of men are pretty less than women. These fewer men move to another place to get a job. Remarkably, beautiful women don't get any person to love and also to spend their life. For this reason, a group of women has officially requested to men for love. Now it is time to see that any men will respond to this request or not. Yet if any man responds to this and wants to make any relationship with any of these women, he ought to follow some rules and regulations for that. So, viewers, how was today's video? Which fact did you like the most? Let us know in the comment section below. Please tap the bell icon for knowing more amazing facts around the world. Please subscribe, like, share and be with us for the next video.